You don't have to be a writer to write a book. Learn 9 ways to get your book done, and you may not even have to write one word of it. How does that sound? Jen and I have used these 9 ways ourselves with our clients, and we know that they work. So we're so happy to show them to you. What if you say, though, Melanie, I'm not a writer. I don't even know where to start. How will this help my business? I'm not even a good speller. Well, we're going to show you how to make this all happen right now. Let's dive in because we only have 9 minutes, so I want to hurry up and get going. The first way is to repurpose the content you already have. I bet you have enough content already for a book. If you have a newsletter, a blog, social media post, or even content on your website, you already have enough content for a book. So I'm going to show you how you do it. First of all, this is what you do. You take the content, let's say it's a blog post, you pull together your favorite blog post, make a new intro and outro, and maybe some original new comments if you want in between there, and each of those blog posts can now become a chapter. So each chapter will be about maybe 3,000 to 4,000 words, which is perfect. That's all you need. But you may say, but that's just a bunch of blog posts, Melanie. Who wants to read that? But that's not true. If you're curating what you think are your best posts for a small price, people can get this. And plus, it's a whole different audience. A book reading audience is broader and more general than a blog reader or newsletter audience for sure. So there's value there. And don't feel like you have to have like 60,000 words. You can do it in 20,000 words. Throw some pictures in. You could have a book done in less than a weekend, and then you could have it published in less than 30 days with content that you already have. So just do it. And how cool would it be when you meet someone next time, instead of giving them your business card, you could give them your book. People usually throw away your business card, but very rare do people throw away a book. There's 2 guys that run a blog post, Joshua Milbourne and Ray Nicodemus. So they've been writing blog posts for quite a while, and they pulled together some of their favorites, created a book, and guess what? They got 150 reviews on their blog post of people who had never even read their blog before. So now they've generated a whole new audience. Jen and I are doing the same thing. We're creating a new book called The Book Writing Fast Pass. It's a 5-step system to write your book and become a published author in less than 30 days. So what we did is we have our podcast, Hot Chicks Write Hot Books. We know you're all a huge fan, and if you don't know about it, please subscribe right now. So what we're doing is taking our first top 15 podcast, and we're creating a book out of it. We're going to add some original content too, like maybe some intros and outros, and we're probably going to add maybe a new chapter or 2 as well that'll be original. But then we have a book. So all we're doing is we're taking the podcast, we're sending it off to a transcriber. Then after the transcriber, we'll send it to an editor. We'll write our original content and put it in, and voila, we have a book. So the second way is if you're really lazy and you don't want to do any work whatsoever, you can get a ghostwriter. The ghostwriter will write your entire book for you. All you have to do is give them the title of the content that you want. They'll research it for you, and then they'll write the book. So after that, you just send it to an editor. Now, what I suggest is that you not be totally lazy and go through and kind of edit it yourself and put your own voice in there so you feel like a lot of it is your words as well. I think that's the best way to do it. Number 3, interview experts. This is a great way. One of our good friends, Justine Grunwald, she was a guest on our Hot Chicks Write Hot Books podcast. She wanted to write a book about how to find a great attorney. So she contacted 7 attorneys. Each of them wrote a chapter for her. They were so happy to be a part of the book. And now they are promoting the book to their clients and to their list. So she has broadened her audience by 7-fold by adding them as the experts in her book. The next way is you can interview, you can have someone interview you. So we've done this where you just have someone sit with you and talk with you about your business or your product. So think of it like when you go to a dinner party or a cocktail party and someone asks you about your business or your product. So they're generally asking you questions besides you just saying what you do. It's kind of that same process. So we suggest that you should talk to someone that you're familiar with, like maybe a family member or a colleague or a friend, someone that you feel comfortable talking with, and just talk it out. The next way is you can use EVERNOTE to talk it out. That's a great app, or you can just use the notes on your phone. So if you're not really comfortable being around someone or interviewing someone, you can just talk on your phone. So I've done this coming home from carpool. I just hit my notes and I just start talking. I have gotten like a whole chapter done just on the way home from carpool. Granted, I'm stuck in Houston traffic, which may be a longer commute than some of you have, but I've gotten several chapters done that way by just talking into my phone, and it writes it out for you right there. The next way is you can video yourself. So if you know what a selfie stick is, that's a picture of one right there. And you can just hit the play button and you just start talking, and it video records you while you're talking. So you have to get it transcribed afterwards. But the cool thing about this is now you're going to have some videos that you can edit together, and you can use these videos on YouTube to promote your book when it comes out. Another couple easy ways of writing is just to do the do's and don'ts and pros and cons. This is a great way, especially to get your chapters out and get that all outlined, and then you can fill in the content after that. Now, our favorite way is the 10 by 3 by 3. This is Jen's and my secret formula for you to write your book. We're going to really go in depth on this during the live training, okay? So make sure you come to the live training. So I'm going to do it real fast right now. So take like the 10 most frequently asked questions for your business, or the 10 should ask questions for your business, and then give 3 short stories or examples of those questions. It can be a real story that happened to you or one of your clients, or if you don't have your own story, you can even add a story that happened to somebody else to illustrate the point. Then after you've told the story, then get to the point of each story. So I'll give you a short example. I have a villa down in the Dominican Republic, and we use it for our book writing retreats, and we go down there every year and people write their stories down there. But I also rent the villa out just to regular people besides the retreats. And they're always asking me, it's an all-inclusive resort, what's the all-inclusive price and what does it include? So I answer their question, but then I go on to tell them about that they get a chef every morning that cooks them breakfast. So then I say, it's one of my favorite things. Imagine about an hour before breakfast is to be served, you hear the chef kind of tinkering downstairs, and then you get the aroma of Dominican coffee filling the air, and then you smell bacon and sausage cooking, and then you come down and you go out, and this beautiful table is filled with fresh fruit and croissants and eggs, and you've got this beautiful scenery in front of your own private pool on your own private terrace, and then someone cleans it up and makes it all go away for you. It's one of my favorite things. So my point is that afterwards you're going to get more than your value for your all-inclusive, because you're going to be treated like a king or queen. So see how I answered the question, but then I told this wonderful story that kind of draws them in, and then wrap the point around that they're going to get more than their value for it. So that's what you can do as well with the same system. Now make sure you come to the live training, because we're really going to go into this and show you all the tips and tricks on how to use this system to write your book. So what are we saying? We're saying express yourself, write a book, just do it. Take these tips that I've given you and start your ideas flowing and get the juices going and start your book.